Pizzelle are thin, delicate Italian waffle cookies. You do need a special piece of equipment, which we will get to, but other than that, it shouldn't cost you a thing because it's all made with pantry staples. I'm gonna start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat those together with some sugar until it's nice and thick. Now I just stir in a little melted butter and vanilla. Now I'm just adding in the dry ingredients by sifting together a little flour and baking powder. It doesn't get much easier than that, and it doesn't look like a lot of batter, but it makes a ton of pizzelle. For the special equipment, you do need a pizzelle baker. Mine is the piccolo version, which means they're just smaller pizzelle than the normal. Normally, you can make 2 at a time. Because I'm so efficient, I like to do 4 at a time. You're just gonna get it heated and then brush it with a little bit of oil. It's already non-stick, so you don't need much. This just helps it with the crispiness. And then you drop in a little bit of batter. If you're using the full-size pizzelle maker, you would do about a tablespoon of batter. Since I'm using the smaller one, I'm going about half of that. And you wanna drop it just slightly behind the center, because as you close it, it's gonna come forward a little bit. These take less than a minute to cook each batch. You wanna move them from the iron to your surface fairly quickly and then separate them while they're really hot. That way they don't break as much. And then trim the edges as you would like. My kids would love this process. I've hardly put a dent in the batter, so you can see how this is gonna make a ton. And you know you're gonna get some imperfect ones, which makes it perfect for snacking. I'm kind of proud of myself. This here is the definition of simple is better. They're made with only pantry staples, but they look so cute, so fancy, and they taste delicious. It's like a gentle kiss, you know what I mean? If you've never made pizzelle before, this is the time to try, and this is a great recipe to start with. Mine is the piccolo version, which is the small